Guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide activity on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to the profile of your Yubo. So it will be on your top right corner. Once you go over here, just go to settings again on your top right corner. Now from here, just go to safety and privacy. So from here, just go to locations option. So over here you can have your activity selected. So if you want to have it turned off, just make sure this is turned on, and if you want to hide your city, just make sure it's turned on as well. So that's how you can hide activity on Yubo. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.